This video will show you how to set classroom mode to lock students out of free play during your class period. First, make sure that the class period is selected. Click the school or class name in the upper left-hand corner to find the class that you'd like to use classroom mode with. It does not work with the entire school. You have to select a single class. Once you have the class selected, click Class Assignments, then click the three-dot menu in the upper right-hand corner. When you flip the switch, the blue bar across the top turns a teal color, and you'll see that classroom mode is active for 90 minutes. Your students' dashboard changes, and the only thing that they will see is the assignments that you've set. They won't be released from classroom mode until they earn a gold medal on all assignments. If you'd like to turn classroom mode off early, simply flip the switch to disable it. Students can now access recommended and free play activities. Please contact us at support@mangahigh.com if we can help you set classroom mode for your class.